Okay, just had the chance to install the Eberspacher clock and the timer switch. The way that these will work is this will turn on the gas heater right now if I chose to. Key is off, and the switch only works when the key is on. So we're going to use the regular switch first. Key is on. Slightly turn to the right. Might be able to hear in the back. Gas heater's already firing up. The way I set it up was to where the heat will blow in through the cabin right there. So I have ducting coming down off to the side of the seat and then down under that cabinet, and the warm air will come out there. The heater just kicked up into full gear and is running 100% right now at the moment. Key is off, heater is still on, but it is in cool down mode. Turns the pump off, and you accomplish the same thing by turning the switch off as well. So we'll let that cool off, and then I'll do another vid on the clock right here.